point, we're gonna go to campsite number 2. It's around 6:12 at night, but there's still a lot of sunlight, so we're gonna go brave it and maybe experience a little bit of night driving before we get to the campsite. Campsite direct route says about 7.5, so maybe around 10 to maybe 12 miles. That's about an hour and a half depending on the route we're gonna encounter, but I think it's gonna be fun night driving. All right, we got to the campsite, but somebody's already taken it, so we're going back a little bit. This is our camp for tonight. Alright, this is our camp. Last night it got really cold. I couldn't sleep at all. Feet was really cold. I don't know why I put on 2 socks, but it did not help. But the kids seems to did better. They are sleeping well and snoring last night. But walk around of the camp. This is Camp 2. It was really nice out here. A lot of vegetations, surrounded by trees. Beautiful mountain right next to us. Wednesday morning. Just finished packing. We're heading to our last campsite. Just tonight. I've got a few stops. I was planning to take the kids for exploration in this area where we're at, because the guys I talked to yesterday says there's some good rock formation a few mile away from here. But we had such a good breakfast. We were just having fun, laughing, talking, telling stories. We forgot to keep track of time. Now it's almost 11, and we're just gonna go head out and stop by certain places that we plan to stop by along the way. But that's our Wednesday. This is the Mojave mailbox, and behind it is this little knick-knack monument, Broad Shrine. the lava rock tube. Careful with your, watch your steps. Pretty cool, huh?
Oh shit! Damn, I have to watch my language. Oh. Little bastard scared me.
Is that bat?
I have no idea.
Could be Damon.
Man, if it was Damon, I'd be like, eat me now!
Go. All the way.
Is there a regular flashlight over there?
Yeah, the one on the right. That's the one that we saw coming in. Wow.